Today we will discuss the inebriants. We will discuss chloral hydrate. Before discussing the chloral hydrate, we will discuss the classification of the neurotics. Neurotics are the substances which act on CNS. These are further divided into cerebral neurotics, spinal neurotics, and peripheral neurotics. Cerebral neurotics are further divided into somniferous, inebriants, and deliriants. Somniferous are the substances which reduce pain and induce sleep. Examples are somniferous, opium, and its derivatives. Next is inebriants. Inebriants are the poisons which produce two sets of symptoms. First excitement, then narcosis. The examples are alcohol, anesthetic, hypnotics, fuel, and organophosphorus compound. Deliriants are the compound which cause delirium and altered state of consciousness. Examples are dhatura, belladonna alkaloids, hyoscyamus, and bhang. Next is spinal neurotics which act on spinal cord. Examples are Nux vomica seeds and its alkaloid. Next is peripheral neurotics which act on peripheral nerves. Examples of peripheral neurotics are phonium and curare. Now we discuss chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate is powerful and reliable hypnotic. In small doses it produces natural sleep, but in large doses it causes CNS depression and paralysis of vital systems. Vital और जो centers हैं उनका paralysis करते हैं. Sign symptoms are mainly on digestive system, nervous system, cardiac and cutaneous system. On GIT, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain. Nervous system में giddiness, tinnitus, altered state of consciousness. Cardiac में हार्ट रेट इंक्रीज हो जाता है, पल्स बीपी भी इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. और कुटेनियस में रैश हो जाते हैं, ब्लिस्टर्स बन जाते हैं बॉडीज पे. ये इसकी साइन सिम्टम्स हैं. Fatal dose of chloral hydrate is 5 gram and fatal period is 8 to 12 hours, which may be delayed for 2 to 3 days. Postmortem appearance में chloral hydrate rapidly deteriorates after death. ये बॉडी से एक्सक्रीट हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी. Chemical analysis of viscera should be therefore done as a matter of urgency. जितनी जल्दी हो सके वो एनालिसिस के लिए विस्ट्रास भिजवा दिए जाएँ ताकि ये डिटेक्ट हो सके, क्योंकि ये बाद में बॉडी से एक्सक्रीट हो जाता है. मेडिको लीगल इम्पोर्टेंस. Accidental poisoning may result from large doses used as hypnotics. Suicidal poisoning is rare. It is often added to liquor for a greater kick. It is covalently added to beer with homicidal intent. Chloral hydrate is also known as dry wine. It is mixed with alcohol to potentiate its effect. It is also called as knockout drop. It renders a victim of robbery or rape suddenly helpless. Long continued use of the chloral hydrate leads to addiction.